Hi, so in today's video, I'm going to be talking all about Kojic Acid. If you're a regular on YouTube, you must have seen so many videos around Kojic Acid. Kojic Acid is like the best active ingredient to deal with pigmentation. It gives you very fast, very visible and very long lasting results in terms of pigmentation. So अगर आपको pigmentation की problem है, you must have definitely thought about using Kojic Acid in your skincare regime. But how much do you actually know about Kojic Acid before you start using it? Well, you don't have to worry because in today's video, I'm going to be explaining everything about Kojic Acid, the benefits of Kojic Acid, the side effects of Kojic Acid, how to include Kojic Acid in your skincare regime to give you those benefits, and which active ingredients should you not mix with Kojic Acid, and when to use it, etc. I'm going to be answering all of those questions. You need to address all of these questions first, get proper clarity on what you're putting on your skin, and then use a particular product. So I'm going to be answering all the questions related to Kojic Acid in today's video, and in case if I miss out on something, do comment down below. If you have any other doubts, I will definitely answer them for you all. And before I begin with today's video, if you're new to my channel, hit the like button if you find this video helpful, and yeah, let's just get started with today's video. So if you have the problem of dark spots, acne marks, sun tanning, or any pigmented patches on your skin, then Kojic Acid is the perfect active ingredient that you can use. Now the one that I love using in my skincare regime to deal with any pigmentation on my face and body is this Dermaco 2% Kojic Acid Face Serum. Now this contains 2% of kojic acid and 1% of alpha arbutin, and both of these actives, when you combine together, they give you such amazing results. The results are very quick and they are very noticeable. So both of these ingredients help in reducing the melanin production in your body. Melanin is the enzyme that's responsible for any pigmentation, any uneven darkness on your skin. तो ये दोनों ingredients मिलके melanin को कम करते हैं आपकी body में, thereby गिविंग यू मोर इवन टोन्ड स्किन. तो आपको कोई भी डार्क स्पॉट्स है, कोई भी सन टैनिंग है, पिगमेंटेड पैचेस है, मे बी अराउंड योर नोज, अराउंड योर माउथ और एनीवेयर, और इवन इफ यू हैव एक्ने मार्क्स, एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ like darkness on your body, on your face, even if you have like dark elbows and knees, ये दोनों ingredients मिलके ना वो सारी darkness को light कर देते हैं. It helps to fade all of that darkness away and आपका जो पूरा complexion है उसको एकदम even toned बना देता है. So that is what the serum does to the skin. But you have to use this like regularly. You have to use it every single day in order to see results. You can't just use it for one day or 1 week and expect like very noticeable results. You have to use it for a couple of months and then you will see amazing results. I use this serum on my dark elbows, dark knees and on my dark inner thigh area. I do not have a lot of pigmentation on my skin, but kabhi I also use this on my acne marks. I do have the problem of acne, it leaves these marks, and I do use the serum on my acne marks. This also has niacinamide in it, and niacinamide is great to deal with acne and acne marks. It helps to control sebum production, तो आपका जो acne है it will be reduced to a great extent, and acne marks पे भी niacinamide works wonderfully. Niacinamide helps to fade away acne marks and clears out your complexion. So all of these three active ingredients in the serum help to deal with pigmentation issues, help to even out your skin, and helps to give you more clearer skin. 80% users of the serum saw a reduction in their pigmentation with regular use. So you need to use this regularly every single day, and I recommend you use this during your night skincare regime. So those were the benefits of Kojic Acid serum. Now let's move on to the side effects of Kojic Acid. आपको कोई भी product use करने से पहले, कोई भी active ingredient use करने से पहले उसके side effects जानना बहुत ज़रूरी है. So Kojic Acid का सिर्फ एक ही side effect है, वो है कि अगर आप बाहर जाओगे in the sun and if you don't wear सनस्क्रीन, तो आपका जो पिगमेंटेशन है वो बढ़ जाएगा, आपका जो सन टैनिंग है वो बढ़ जाएगा. When you're using a Kojic Acid serum, you're trying to reduce the sun tanning, you're trying to reduce the pigmentation, but if you don't wear sunscreen while using the serum, so it will increase your pigmentation and sun tanning. So you always want to use a sunscreen, whether you're directly exposed to the sun or even if you're indirectly exposed to the sun, दिन में sunscreen लगाना बहुत ज़रूरी है. So always wear a sunscreen during the daytime while using a Kojic Acid serum or maybe any other active ingredient based skincare. The sunscreen that I highly recommend, the sunscreen that is my absolute favorite and that I always suggest to everyone, is this Dermaco 1% hyaluronic acid sunscreen aqua gel. इसमें SPF 50 PA4+ है, सो इट्स अ ग्रेट अमाउंट ऑफ UVA प्रोटेक्शन। ये आपकी स्किन को सनबर्न होने से भी बचाता है। इट ऑल्सो गिव्स यू UVB प्रोटेक्शन, एंड अलॉन्ग विद दैट it also protects your skin from blue light that's emitted out of electronics, from your phone screen, from the lights in your office or at home, from your laptop screen, etc. It also protects your skin from that. इसमें hyaluronic acid और vitamin E है, which helps to hydrate the skin, and ये इतना lightweight और fast absorbing sunscreen है. So if you are using a Kojic acid based serum or any other Kojic acid based product, ये sunscreen use करना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. Now let's talk about layering Kojic acid. Which active ingredients should you pair with Kojic acid, and which active ingredients should you avoid while using Kojic acid? So Kojic acid and retinol do not go together. If you use both of these actives together, your skin can become sensitive, it can become irritated, and it can become inflamed and red. So you want to avoid Kojic acid and retinol together. Moving on, kojic acid and salicylic acid are also a little opposite of each other. If you have the problem of pigmentation and acne at the same time, and if you want to incorporate both of these actives together, then the way to use it is to introduce kojic acid in your skincare regime first. Use it for a couple days, and then you can start using salicylic acid like every alternate days. Introduce it to your skin first, use it a couple of days, and make your skin used to these active ingredients, and then you can use them together. But then again, I would recommend using one during the daytime and the other during the nighttime, and not mix both of them in your same skincare regime. Next up, kojic acid and glycolic acid go really well together. Glycolic acid is an AHA which helps to mildly exfoliate the skin, and when you pair it up with kojic acid, it helps to double up the effectiveness, and it gives you much better, much faster results. So you can use kojic acid and glycolic acid together. इसमें पहले आपको glycolic acid use करना है, and then you wanna use kojic acid. You can use both of these in the same skincare regime. Moving on, kojic acid and vitamin C also go really well together. Vitamin C helps to brighten up the skin, it helps to deal with dullness, it fades away all of the dullness, it helps to increase collagen production, thereby solving all of your skin problems. And when you mix it with kojic acid, then it gives you much brighter skin, much more even toned skin. So if you want an even toned bright complexion, you can mix kojic acid along with vitamin C. And then again, the way to do this is that you want to use kojic acid first and then follow it up with a vitamin C product, and you can use both of them in the same skincare regime. Moving on, kojic acid and niacinamide also go really well together. Niacinamide helps to fade away acne marks, dark spots, and blemishes. Kojic acid does the same, but it does an even better job at it. It helps to reduce the melanin production and also deals with pigmentation and sun tanning. So both of them work very similarly, and when you combine both of these ingredients together, you can get much better results. You can use both of them in the same skincare regime. First use niacinamide followed by kojic acid, or you can also use them in separate skincare regime and get much better results. I recommend using both of them in separate skincare regimes so that you're using a product to deal with blemishes and pigmentation both during the day and the night time, and that's going to give you faster results. But one thing that you want to remember while using these active ingredient based serums is that you want to limit your serums to just 2 serums in one skincare regime. Do not use more than 2 serums. 2 serums are much more than enough. So depending upon your skin problems and the kind of results that you want, you can pair up these serums in your skincare regime, in your day regime as well as in your night regime. Now I know this information is too much for the day, but if you guys are planning on using kojic acid for your pigmentation, for your dark spots, acne marks, sun tanning, whatever problem that you have, then I would recommend incorporating it slowly in your regime. अगर आप उसको face पे use करना चाहते हो, then I would recommend using a kojic acid based face wash first, because this is a wash off product. आप इसको बहुत gently आपके skincare regime में introduce कर सकते हो. Your skin can get familiar with kojic acid, and then you can start using a leave on product, that is this kojic acid serum. This is the Dermaco 1% kojic acid daily face wash. This has 1% of kojic acid, 1% of alpha-arbutin, and 1% of niacinamide, which all help in dealing with your pigmentation, acne marks, dark spots, sun tanning, and they help in fading it all away. So you can use this product first and then move on to a serum after a couple of days. So you can start by using a face wash first. It's a very gentle face wash. It cleans the skin so well, makes it refreshed, and it's fragrance free, so it's great for sensitive skin too. After using the face wash, you can move on to the kojic acid serum. You can either apply it all over your face or do spot treatment with the help of it. Serum लगाने के बाद you want to use your favorite moisturizer, whatever works for you, in order to hydrate your skin. You can finish it off with using a lip balm if this is your nighttime skincare regime, but if you're using this during the daytime, then make sure that you follow it up with a sunscreen. However, I recommend using the Kojic Acid serum during your night skincare regime. I've been using this Dermaco Kojic Acid serum for a really long time on my dark elbows and knees, and I've seen so much of improvement. So I highly recommend you guys check the serum out if you have any uneven darkness on your face or on your body. I have used the serum so much, as you can see, and I plan on finishing this up and buying a new one because it's working so well on my pigmentation problems. So if you have the problem of pigmentation or uneven darkness on your face or body, then I highly recommend you check out Dermaco Kojic Acid Serum. Use it the way I suggested and you will definitely see amazing results. If you still have any questions relating to Kojic Acid and how it can help to improve your skin and improve your pigmentation, leave your comments down below. I will definitely answer them. I will definitely help you guys out. And in case if you want to purchase this serum, it's available on Dermaco's website. You can use my coupon code RIA2023 to get a 20% off. Apart from this, you can also grab this from Amazon, Nykaa and Flipkart. But every time that you shop from Dermaco's website, they will link your order to a child that they help educate along with Bhumi, and they have already helped more than 10,000 students, which is such a good thing that Dermaco is doing. Moreover, all new Dermaco products are now fragrance free. The serum is also fragrance free. So even if you have sensitive skin, it will still suit you. So yeah, that was my video on all about Kojic Acid. That is all the information that I know about Kojic Acid, and I use Kojic Acid in my skincare regime. I have seen wonderful results, and that's why I recommended this active ingredient to you all. So if you want to use Kojic Acid, then watch this entire video, learn everything about the active, and then start using it. If you want to know more about any other active ingredient, I would love to make a detailed video on it. Do let me know in the comments below. I will definitely make like a detailed video on any other active ingredient that you want to know about. And if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you're new here, follow me on Instagram, and yeah, with that it's a wrap for now. I shall see you in my next video.